Cardenas, Cardenas, past the cemetery up over the Rize. Cardenas, Cardenas, when you reach the top you go and see paradise. They got big white house and big wide street and big bamboo if you with Mike and Beat. They got skateboard ramp 10 feet high, but you must wait in line behind the Hanna Brothers and the Mimes. A jungle and creek, sawgrass up high on the hill. It's a perfect place for a motorcycle trail. And they got pretty gals in every other house, but the Cardenas boys, them don't let you get close. Because Cardenas, Cardenas, past the cemetery up over the Rize. Cardenas, Cardenas, when you reach the top you go and see paradise. Yeah man. They got electricians, accountants, tug captains too. And I know they got pilots cause I saw a jitney pass through. Maybe it's for Bowerman, Welch or Cactus Jack. No, it don't matter cause you know it's coming back. Same time tomorrow to do it all again, cause that's how they did it in the canal zone back then. Because Cardenas, Cardenas, past the cemetery up over the Rize. Cardenas, Cardenas, when you reach the top you go and see paradise. Now Stumpy, him got a old school blue truck, but he's always up in Pelassie, pressing his luck. Matt Tomlin got a hot tub, must be a chick magnet. But every time I went, I only saw boys in it. Not counting Peaches and Yvonne, you know. Now, down at the Civic Center, there's a domino game. Ross who invited those GIs that came. Now Doggy got his panties all up in a bunch, and some service member face went to meet a fist punch. Because Cardenas, Cardenas, past the cemetery up over the Rize. Cardenas, Cardenas, when you reach the top you go and see paradise. Hear this. Now down by where Fox there's a Betamax club, but me rather in the yard cooling off in the tub. A big fishing boat in the Carlson driveway. Some of the wisest fishermen from Cardenas them say. Now Hannah, yes, he lived way up on top by the speed bump and the rental cop. Because Cardenas, Cardenas, past the cemetery up over the Rize. Cardenas, Cardenas, when you reach the top you go and see paradise. Repeat! Cardenas, Cardenas, past the cemetery up over the Rize. Cardenas, Cardenas, when you reach the top you're going to see paradise. Yeah man.
Wrestling, we can make a album and become famous, make lots of money.
Yeah man, but you know, I hope we don't become too famous like you say, boy.
Why not?
Because you know the saying, the higher the monkey climb up the tree, the more his rat shows.
A little boy was playing in the ditch. This little boy was catching fish. Them turn around and what you know, a bushmaster bite him on the toe. And the bushmaster said,
Why you going die?
And the bushmaster said,
Why you going die?
And the bushmaster said,
Why you going die?
But the little boy said, oh no, not I, because I was born and raised on the land, and I know this jungle like a back of me hand. I know you's a liar, I know you's a fake, cause you is a boa, not a bushmaster snake.
Yeah man, you're just a boa. You got no poison. You got no fang, you stupid.
The little boy was hungry to eat, so he find mango tree for a mango treat. Him turn him head and come face to face with the killer beehive at another this place. And the killer bee said,
Why you went die?
and the killer bee said,
Why you went die?
and then the killer bee said,
Why you went die?
but the little boy said, oh no, not I, because I was born and raised on the land, and I know this jungle like a back of me hand. You never sting me for a reason, one, cause you can't fly fast as I can run.
Yeah, man, as faster than stink, as faster than running water in the shower dress, boy.
He was getting a drink from a water vine when the buzz from mosquito did distract him mind. That mosquito did suck and look up with a grin, cause him inject yellow fever under the skin. And the mosquito said,
Why you went die?
and the mosquito said,
Why you went die?
and the mosquito said,
Listen, why you went die?
but the little boy said, oh no, not I, because I was born and raised on the land, and I know this jungle like a back of me hand. Your yellow fever does not worry me, cause I got vaccinated at the dispensary.
Yeah, man, I went down there last week, played $2, put a big grass needle in my body. Ooh!
It was past 6 o'clock and the street light was on. The cicada was singing for the sun to go down. Little boy, him tried to sneak home late, but was one vexed mother that for him did wait. And the vexed mother said,
Why you went die? All day in the jungle and you worry, I don't understand, I don't want to try. You come over here, I go and tell you why. Because you was born and raised on this land. You think all the creature am your best friend. The one painful thing that you can't escape, that's a rat of your mother when you come home late. Now come here, you little dirty rat. Get your little body upstairs and take a shower.
You have to use soap?
You don't respect me, boy.
You can't catch me, I'm fast like a Jesus lizard.
Bigger than a Jesus lizard, now don't lick.
That don't hurt nothing, boy, like a mosquito.
Disrespectful little child.